Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 13 Pro. In this video we'll check if this phone supports wireless charging. As you can see, there is nothing like wireless charging in the settings, so we'll check it on this device. And as you can see, the phone is charging. So, let's sum up. iPhone 13 Pro supports wireless charger. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.